How to use History Study Centre. History Study Centre is a platform giving access to a collection of full-text journals covering a wide range of global history from ancient times to modern day. History Study Centre can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the H tab. Type your search term in the search box and click on the magnifying glass. You can save your search or create an alert for new results. You will need to create a free personal account. You can sort the results by relevance or publication date. You can limit the results to just articles that are peer-reviewed, that is, evaluated by a panel of experts before publication. You can refine the results by source type, by publication date, by document type, by subject, by location, or by one of the other filters. You can save articles into a research folder, either individually or by selecting multiple articles. You can email an article. You can see the abstract of the article or go straight to the full text. You can translate the article, hide the search term highlighting. You can save the article as a PDF, get the citation of the article for your bibliography, get the permanent link to the article, or print the article. You can see suggested related sources and possible search terms. You can search or browse the publication titles available. Either use the search to look for a particular title or subject, or browse the titles alphabetically and choose a journal from the list. You can search within the journal, choose to view the contents of a particular issue, search within the issue. You can get the permanent link to the journal, or set up an alert when a new issue is available. To see searches and articles you've saved, click on the person icon at the top of the screen. You can organise your saved documents by creating folders, selecting the documents and adding them to the folder. You can also add to a folder from the document entry, or add notes. The default folder shows all saved documents. To see just the documents in a particular folder, select it from the drop-down menu. You can see Save Searches in the Searches tab. A help page, relevant to the page you're on, can be accessed by opening the menu at the top and clicking on Help.